Hello. I'm Classic Lincoln Loud, and today, I'm going to demolish Sonic Drive-In with a minigun, because their food tastes absolutely trash. Yes. I demolished Sonic Drive-In with a minigun. Now time to get out. Before I get caught by someone.
Hey, where do you think you're going?
Oh no. It's Aubrey the Kelby Killout and Kane Brown fan.
Classic Lincoln Loud, did you demolish Sonic Drive-In with a minigun? Tell me the truth now.
Well, you're gonna hate me for this, but yes. I demolished Sonic Drive-In with a minigun, because their food actually tastes really bad.
Oh my goodness, Classic Lincoln Loud, how freaking dare you demolish Sonic Drive-In with a minigun? That restaurant took a long time to build, but it's demolished, thanks to you. That's it, go home while I contact your parents about this.
Classic Lincoln Loud, words cannot describe how angry I am. I just cannot believe you demolished Sonic Drive-In with a minigun. Now that place is gonna take a long time to rebuild, thanks to you what you have done. That's it, you're grounded until Sonic Drive-In get fixed. Go to your room right now.